Let's take a look at this Glucovita Jelle Bolts. Quite a colorful packaging. Instant energy for our body and brain. Orange glucose and honey. That's how the jelly looks. Vegetarian product. It costs around 10 rupees or around 15 cents. Chew a few jelly bolts when you need instant energy anytime, anywhere. They are from Wipro Consumer Care, manufactured in Satara, India. That's the ingredient list and the nutritional info. Not a big fan of individual wrapping. You get about 7 of these. Looks quite colorful in the light. Let's taste it. Who knew you would get energy by eating jelly? Nice and tangy. You get that orange and honey flavor. It's also very juicy. Not a bad way to get some instant energy. Quite nice. Check it out. Rather than individual packs, it should come in a resealable pack. It would be much easier to eat too.